Checking your account balance on Microworkers is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Microworkers website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is the main area where you can view your account details and statistics. Step 3. Locate the balance section. On your dashboard, look for the section labeled Account Balance or Balance. This section typically displays your current earnings and available balance. Step 4. Review your balance. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account, especially if you are using a shared or public computer, to protect your information. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Microworkers. Regularly monitoring your balance helps you stay informed about your earnings and payment status.